Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 17 is two angles that measure 180 degrees. It says the measures of two angles are given in the diagram of a straight angle. What is the measure of each of the angles? So a straight angle measures 180 degrees. It pretty much looks like a line. One of my angles is 8x minus 9, and the other angle is 3x plus 2. If I add those together in an equation and set it equal to 180, I can find out how much x equals. So 8x minus 9 is the first angle, plus 3x plus 2 is the second angle, and those two angles should equal 180. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 8x plus 3x is 11x, and negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7, and that should be equal to 180. And now I just have a two-step. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. 0 plus 11x is 11x. And 180 plus 7 is 187. Now I'll divide both sides by 11 to make the coefficient equal to 1. 11 divided by 11 is 1, or as some people say, it cancels out, leaving me with x. And 187 divided by 11 is 17. Now that I know that x is 17, I can substitute back for x and find the measure of each angle. 8 times 17 minus 9, if I punch that into a calculator, I get 127. So the first angle is 127 degrees. And if I take 3 and substitute 17 for x plus 2, that will equal 53. And so I know my second angle is 53 degrees. So my first angle is 127 degrees, and my second angle is 53 degrees.